set, go.
Why is this important for the kids to learn this stuff, especially the age at these kind of ages, these early teen ages?
So we do this camp at the age we do it, so before they really start getting into high school. So we're looking to have them explore careers in the transportation industry. Careers such as being a service technician, a painter, a body repair person, management, parts. So we work with Wisconsin Auto and Truck Dealers Association, so we can build a pool of potential employees that can take the place of a very retirement age heavy sector in the transportation industry, so we can replace those employees and keep people moving, keep the world moving with their automobiles and trucks.
Overview, what got happening here today?
So today is our last day of the Nitro-X Summer Camp. This is race day. We've had students all day or all week coming to us 8:30 to 3:30. 8:30 to 3:30 every day, Monday through Friday, to explore careers in the transportation industry.
So what's kind of the age ranges of these kids?
So 12 to 14 is the age range that we have in camp.
And so what have they done to kind of prepare themselves during the camp and then for this race specifically?
So during camp, we do activities within our auto and diesel programs here at Western Technical College. We also took field trips. We went down to Dahl Subaru. We went to Abra Body Shop, and we went to River Stage Truck and Trailer to see those operations and see how the transportation industry works on different levels. We've learned to drive these RC trucks. These RC trucks can go 45 miles an hour, so very unique to control. And every day we do that. Different activities every day, different driving every day, so we can prepare for race day and do the races and show the community and our parents what we've been doing all week.
And so have these kids kind of like help build these trucks? Are they worked on them at all or anything like that? Or?
So they've worked on them. As you would imagine, that trucks going 45 miles an hour will break. We hit a light post, we hit a car, we've hit the building. So they will help repair these trucks. We will talk about the adjustments on the truck, but the trucks themselves, they came already built, so it's just more of repair versus build.
This camp and today in particular.
Today in particular, I just like the excitement that we have. And the biggest thing that I like about this camp is that when we're bringing the college, the community, the sponsors, the entire transportation industry together to support this camp and support careers and young people being able to come in the transportation industry as a viable, livable career that they can take from start all the way into retirement.